Hey everyone! If you've realized that a PayPal business account is a bit overkill for your needs and you want to switch back to a personal one, you've probably noticed there isn't a simple toggle switch in the settings. In 2026, this still requires a quick assist from PayPal support. Here is exactly how to get it done. Step 1. Log in and access help. First, log into your PayPal business account on your browser. Scroll all the way to the bottom of your dashboard and click on Contact or Help in the footer menu. Step 2. Open the Message Center. Next, look for the Message Center icon. This is the fastest way to reach a support agent who can manually flip the switch for you without you having to wait on a long phone queue. Step 3. Submit the downgrade request. Start a new chat and type, "I would like to downgrade my account from business to personal." The automated assistant will likely ask for a reason. Simply select "No longer needed" or "Switching to personal use." Step 4. Save your business data. Quick tip: before the agent processes the change, make sure to download any business tax reports or detailed CSVs. Once you go personal, those advanced professional reporting tools will disappear from your dashboard. Step 5. Confirmation. An agent will usually confirm the change within a few hours. You'll get an email once it's done, and your dashboard will automatically refresh to the simplified personal layout the next time you log in. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.